Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto, and today we're going to look at the Ring Video Doorbell Generation 2. First, we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing, then we'll compare Generation 1 versus Generation 2. I'll do the installation and then show you what it looks like. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the box here. Pretty standard box, tells you absolutely everything that it has and it comes with. We'll look at all the specs in just a second. Let's take it out of the sleeve. Got a cardboard box here. Lift that open. Always home. So here we have an envelope, and here's the camera itself. It's a little heavier than I thought it would be, but it totally makes sense. The battery has to be pretty big for it to last the amount of time that it does. And under here, I believe, are the tools. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it has. Looks like we have the screws. We have a drill bit in case you need to actually get into concrete or other types of hard walls. And we have the Ring Doorbell screwdriver. One end is a regular Phillips and the other end is for security screws. Let's see if we have anything else. And we have the micro USB and a leveler that goes onto the mounting brackets. Okay, let's look at the envelope and see what's in this. Most likely instructions and other paperwork. Looks like we have a Ring sticker, so you can put that on your window. I do not have a place to put it at my home. And a lot of information, shows you step by step how to set it up. And a lot of good information here on installation in the walls. Mine is going to be fairly simple, because I don't have to get into any kind of difficult walls. Alright, this is basically everything that it comes with. So there's a little bit of confusion between Ring Doorbell 2, Ring Doorbell 3, what that means. That just means that is actually a different product than this one. The one that I'm talking about today is the standard entry-level Ring Doorbell, and this is the second generation of that. It is not the Ring Doorbell 2. Alright, so before we do the installation, let's look at the comparisons between Generation 1 and Generation 2 of the doorbell. So let's look at the specs that the Generation 1 had and compare it to this one. So Generation 1 had 720p HD video. It gave you the ability to see live view. It had night vision. It had 180 degree horizontal and 110 degree vertical. And it had basic motion detection. So let's look at Generation 2. So this new version has 1080p HD video. It still has the live view, has night vision, has 155 degree horizontal and 90 degree vertical. It has advanced motion detection, and what that means is that it has adjustable motion zones. So you can actually set it so it won't detect as far out. For example, mine I set almost to the max, and it's been detecting the garbage trucks that are coming down the street. So I'll probably end up modifying mine so it's not as far. So right now we're going to go ahead and do the installation, and then I will show you the setup. So this is what I'm going to use to do the installation. Now you don't need a drill unless you have to install it into a hard wall. Now I'm very fortunate because all I have is a wooden panel outside of my house. So I don't really need the drill, but I'm going to use it just to expedite things. So I'm not even going to wire it into the existing doorbell. I'm going to use the battery function on it, and it should work just as well. So this is the mounting bracket. So it comes with this leveler that you put into this little spot right here, and then you just watch the bubble and make sure it is leveled. So I'm sure you don't want to just sit there and watch me put in screws, so I went ahead and did it already. It is all leveled out, and then all you do is very carefully put in your camera into it. It should just fall into place as soon as you put it inside, and then you put in the security screws that it comes with. Alright, so now that it is all set up and it is secure, it is right next to my existing doorbell. Now, we did take a look at it first before I decided on that spot. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is try it out. So the idea is somebody comes up, presses the button, you will get a notification on your phone. Click on the notification, and you should see the person outside. Now the sound isn't bad. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record the sound on my phone when I did this. Alright, this next bit is just to kind of show you how far my particular camera sees. Has pretty good perspective of somebody walking up to the door and up to the steps. Alright, so the Ring Video Doorbell Generation 2 is going to set you back $99 on Amazon. So it's a great price for an entry-level Ring Doorbell. If you don't have one, you want to try it out, I 100% highly recommend this one. So if you do want to take a look at past recordings and pictures, you are going to have to get the subscription. Now, for one device, it is $3 a month, or $30 for an entire year. Or if you have more than one device, you can pay $10 a month for more than one device, or $100 for an entire year. And because Amazon owns Ring, you will be able to connect it to all your Amazon products like Echo Dots, Fire TV, Fire tablets, so on and so forth. Or of course you can just use the Ring app on your phone. That is mostly what I use. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment area below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to get notifications. And we will see you next time.